In this video, we are going to learn how to append data in our existing file. So why we use append instead of write? When we use w plus, or we can say w, for writing the data, then the existing data will deleted when we create a new data. But when we use a append mode, then the new data is added after the existing data. So here we already have something in our python.txt, which is I'm from Python, and now I'm going to append some data using a mode, which is a, and now just save this module and run module. And here I'm going to write something which is I'm from India. Just click enter. After that, let's move to the text file, which is python.txt. and here you can see there is another data which is I am from India, which is appended after the existing data, which is I am from Python. And now when we use w here, just run this module again, write something hello world, just click enter, and let's move to the file, which is python.txt. So here you can see a new data is generated and the existing data will deleted. That's why we don't use w for writing some data. We always use append for writing data, because w will delete the existing data and it will create a new data. But when we use append mode, then the new data will added after the existing data. So this is the way to add some data in our file using Python script.